Mathomo ma ohwo jera-ini ya Naivasha ni mahoretwo njeki thutha wa cukuru wa University wa Mount Kenya kwanirira ati ni ukuongerera mathomo kuri arutani aria mathomithagia ohwo jera-ini ino. Murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa githomo thukuru-ini wa Mount Kenya niwe Dr Benson Njoroge uria uracerete jera-ini ino ni augite ati ni akenetio ni uria ohwo aya marathomithio na akauga ni marafatara mathomo makiria niguo magie na ugi wa kuigana.
Mount Kenya University kiona haina gap ikiona ni wega hena ithenya tukiciria tuikare ta skuru ya ta thukuru wa githomo thiini wa Mount Kenya University tuke tuthomithie arutani acio 75 nigetha nao tumathomithie uhoro wa guthomithia nigetha mahote guthomithia arutwo aria menao 800.
Mwena-ini wake munini wa murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa githomo kiama-ini kia urumwe wa mabururi kia UNESCO Dr Benson ni augite ati ni maranyita mbaru mubango uyu kuria makuheana indo cia kugacirithia mathomo maya.
We have already given them some materials, digital materials that are developed by Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development. We have also given them some materials for showing those digital content like a TV. They have also some computers, they have some tablets and then things like that. So one of the things is for us in this program is to see that they are able to get the correct materials.
Nake Patrick Mwenda uria niwe murugamiriri munene wa jera ino ni atogeire mubango uyu akiuga ni ukuongerera gikiro gia githomo kia arutani aya.
We've seen a lot of improvement in terms of teaching, and apart from teaching, really, we are preparing these guys to leave prison and do a lot of things out there. So actually, we are preparing leaders for the future.
Jera ya Naivasha iri na arutani 75 aria maguthomithio kuringana na gikiro kiao kia mathomo kuuma ECD nginyagia secondary. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Njeri wa Kamau.